In this section, we will explore the Kanban method, a visual workflow management approach designed to enhance the efficiency and productivity. This method allows us to visualize tasks, track progress, and optimize our workflow effectively. The Kanban board is at the core of the Kanban method, which visually represents the workflow. It typically consists of three primary columns such as to-do column, which lists all the tasks waiting to be started. In progress column tracks works that are currently in progress. The done column lists all the tasks that have been completed. Task cards represent each task on the board. These cards include key details like task discrepancies, deadlines, and assignments. Limit work in progress. Setting limits on the number of tasks in each stage prevents overloading and ensures work flows smoothly. This reduces multitasking and encourages focus on completing the task before starting the new one. Optimizing the flow. The main goal is to ensure tasks move seamlessly from start to finish. This involves identifying and resolving bottlenecks or delays in the workflow. Clear guidelines. Establishing clear rules for task prioritization and movement ensures consistency. For instance, define a criteria for when a task is considered done and ready to move to the next stage. Setting up a Kanban board can be done using the physical or digital board. A Kanban board can also be created using sticky notes on a whiteboard or digital tools for convenience. Organize your tasks into columns such as backlog, to-do, in progress, and done. Create and prioritize tasks using task cards. Write each task on a card, including deadlines and priorities. Prioritize and arrange these tasks in to-do column based on their importance and urgency. Moving tasks through the workflow and progress tracking. As works progress, move their cards across the respective columns. This visual approach helps track progress and quickly spot the bottlenecks. Regular reviews at the end of each day or week to review the board to evaluate completed tasks and identify pending ones. Reflect on the delays and brainstorm the ways to improve the process. Continuous improvement based on the reflection and feedback. Make incremental changes to the workflow to overcome them. Adjust work in progress limits, refine task discrepancies, or recognize columns as needed. There are several benefits of the Kanban method, such as increased visibility. The visual nature of the board provides a clear snapshot of the tasks in progress, pending, or completed. Enhanced focus. Limiting work in progress encourages us to finish tasks before starting new ones, reducing the multitasking. Improved efficiency. By identifying the bottlenecks and streamlining workflow, productivity improves. Flexibility. The method is adaptable to the personal or team's needs. Continuous improvement. Regular feedback and adjustments foster a culture of growth and efficiency. By implementing the Kanban method, we can manage our tasks effectively, stay organized, and continuously enhance our productivity.